in the light reaction, light energy is converted into chemical energy in the form of ATP and NADPH. Now, this is not the main aim of photosynthesis. The main aim of photosynthesis is to manufacture food. So, when does food get manufactured? Well, let us see beyond the light reaction. Well, the energy stored in ATP and NADPH is utilized to manufacture food, and this was proposed by scientist Melvin Calvin. Now, unlike the light reaction, this process does not require the light energy and so is known as the dark reaction. But does dark reaction occur only during the night time? Well, no. Dark reaction is actually a light independent process, but it can occur even in the light. Actually, it happens simultaneously with the light reaction phase. An exception to this fact is that in xerophytic plants, which are desert plants, dark reaction, that is uptake of carbon dioxide and its fixation and photosynthesis, do not take place simultaneously. To reduce evaporation, stomata remains closed during the daytime in the xerophytic plants. These plants take up carbon dioxide in the night and store it in an intermediate form, which is utilized during the daylight to prepare food. Now, how does food get prepared in the dark reaction? Well, at the end of the light reaction, NADPH and ATP are formed, which comes out of the grana to the stroma. Now, in the stroma, carbon dioxide is taken in. So these NADPH molecules and ATP molecules, together with carbon dioxide, form sugar in the stroma. So since this dark reaction was proposed by scientist Calvin, this process is also known as the Calvin cycle. So, ATP from the light reaction provides energy to the carbon dioxide that is taken from the atmosphere, and the NADPH also from the light reaction reduces this carbon dioxide to form sugar, which is the main aim of photosynthesis. So since a biomolecule is formed, this reaction is known as a biosynthetic reaction. So dark reaction is also known as a biosynthetic reaction.